councillors who are genuinely connected to the community and they do care about this stuff, they often don't want to contradict the public servants, or the mayor or the other councillors will be pushing a different agenda. And so maybe they're pushovers, or they don't want to challenge that power directly, whereas we've been more comfortable saying, no, you're wrong, and we're going to speak out about it, and if you tell us we can't plant a garden here, maybe we'll just do it anyway, that sort of stuff. And yeah.
It's funny because Ruby and Al mentioned that basically they're breaking the law. They've broken the law for 2 years and there has been no recourse on their actions. So how are you actually protecting these gardens? How is it working?
Yeah, I mean, I guess in a way I'm providing some insulation from bureaucracy where, yeah, I think the fact that I'm supportive of these gardens is part of the reason that they're still here. But they're also just protected by general community support. And I think the council knows that if they tried to dig up this garden or bulldoze it or whatever, that there'd be hell to pay, and there'd be a lot of activists out here locking onto the bulldozers and that sort of thing. It does expose me a little bit, like there've been some conduct complaints and official proceedings to try and discipline me. And I mean, they haven't led to much yet, but there's probably an argument to be made that I'm really pushing the envelope in my role as a councillor. And it might be that at some point that becomes untenable and they find enough excuses to kick me off council and that sort of thing. So I think that's one thing that a lot of people who are involved in different forms of activism and community building have to be aware of, is that if you're going to challenge systems and fight for a better world, you might lose your job.